Alright guys, so I'm headed for a quick little video. I made this bait. I found this part. It was all like this with the fin. It had two other fins at the dollar store. I took the two fins off. I filled the holes with lead. I put a hole here. I filled it with lead. Put some hooks. I put a little lip. You can even see the lip is like an old Pokemon coin that I cut up because it was the only thing that was the right thickness. We're going to get this mug in there and see if we can catch a fish. Or get it lost. Hey, you never know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully we'll just get there real quick. Oh. Woo, it's a little hot. Alright, we're here. I'm going to tie this together real quick. Just do it fast. Pliers out. Get the pliers out real quick. The two new pliers. And we're just gonna go right to it real quick. One more in there. All right. Alright, now I'll get this side. Whew! Two, three, alright. There we go. Hopefully that keeps it together. Nice. Alright, so like I said, I made this bait. Whew. Don't fall already. Fall victim to the fall already. That would be funny. Oh, this water is crystal clear right here. Crystal clear. Oh, I don't know if it's turning on its side a little bit. Oh no. I thought for sure it would. Is it the current? It's probably the current messing it up. Current's making it act funny. We'll see what happens right here. I thought for sure it would sink. So what happens? Maybe gotta figure out what else. Like it kind of walks on the top a little bit. It like leans on its side though. That's the only thing I don't like. It leans on its side. I got it sinking a little bit. Well, I did have it sinking. If I catch a fish on this, that would be crazy. I'm not. I'm working the shit out of this bait, trying to get it bit. Hell, heck no. Heck to the no. This has the worst action ever. Get in there. No action having ass. I think I'm gonna have to put a weight or something. Heck no. We're over this shit. I mean over this. Where are we gonna go with it? Ain't nowhere I can go with it. Let's see. The action is terrible, guys. It's the worst action on a lure ever. Come on, catch one fish with it. It ain't gonna happen. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy. Thought I had a fish for 2 milliseconds. 2 milliseconds. Look at that. Nothing. Alright, we're going to switch and I'm going to fish all the same spots. Watch. And then back on here, we're just going to go straight to a Cinco style, except for the way I do it. A funny Cinco style bait. I call it funny because a cheap style or a cheap Cinco. I take most of my Cincos, cut them in half. That way I have double and I could use them as Ned rigs. Try this on quickly and get right back in the same area. This is just right after I did it, just retied, getting right back in there. Oh man, I need a new Cinco, but this wouldn't do it. Right back, same spots, same little spots. Watch, guys, show you what I mean. Cinco is the best bait. It's basically cheating at fishing. Whew. Oh, got a fish. Oh, I got a good fish. Oh, I got a good fish, guys. Holy cow. Am I filming? Yes, I'm filming. Yes. You see what I'm saying? Look at that, guys. On the half a Cinco right there, guys. tank on the half a Cinco. Oh, don't jump, my guy. Woo! Heck yeah, get that out of him real quick. Woo! Look at that, guys. What'd I tell you? Homemade cheap bait versus Cinco. I think we know who won that battle right there, guys. Look at that. Whew. Let's get him back. Ow. Alright. Ow. I almost fell. Whew. Heck yeah. Alright. Let's go for round 2. He went right back to the same area. He ain't gonna bite again though, but I know there's a bunch of more fish right there. I'm gonna do this last throw with this one before I switch baits. Oh, I had him. Oh, he ripped almost the Cinco in half. Let's just drop it right there. Right in there. Let it do its little magic. Calling out the fish. Calling out all fish. Calling out all fish. I think I got one. Got one. Whew. Oh, he got loose. He got loose. Let's throw right here. Calling out all fish. Calling out all fish. Got him. Calling out all fish. I just threw all these areas fish. Just got another one. Quick release on the freaking half a Cinco. Let's throw right over here. I threw over here like 5 times with that bait I made. See what happens. Got him. Got another one. Woo! On the great amazing Cinco, guys. Heck yeah. Look at that. It just catches fish, guys. It just catches fish. Whew. Let's get that out of there. Throw them back. Holy cow. I don't know if that has any more life in it. Ow. See if I got one in the bag before I have to go get a different one. Oh, I gotta get a different one. Alright, let's pause real quick. Let's get a different one. So now we'll just test my theory and we'll see what catches the bigger fish. The half a Cinco, the whole Cinco, or the homemade bait. And we know the homemade bait already got put away because it sucked. Worst bait by me ever made. Let's just let it fall right there. See what happens. Oh, no bites on the first cast. We're gonna do a crazy throw, get it out there, get snagged or catch a giant. That's the motto. Definitely get snagged or catch a giant, guys. Looks like it's neither giant or snag. It looks like the half a broke Cinco is. Oh, I think I had a. I'm not sure. I was gonna say I think I have a bite, but then I looked and I seen the rock right there, and I think it was the rock. I just smacked the rock. We got some guys down there fishing too. That's a good spot down there if you can get them. If you can get in there. I'm not lying, guys. I don't think the half a cinco is going to do it. We're going to rock right over here real fast. Try not to get too wet. We'll just get right over here. We're right over here to this rock. We're going to climb up on this rock. Whew. Oh my gosh, Lee. Alright, one more throw right here, and then I'm going to do some throws over there onto the wall. Nothing? Alright, let's throw up to the wall. Ooh, right against the wall. That was an amazing throw, guys. We're definitely catching a giant or getting snagged. Come on, come on. Catch a giant, my G. Catch a giant. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Looks like nothing. Let's drop it. Alright, we're throwing over this way. Oh, please don't get snagged. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I don't know what's going on. I have a big fish and I have a big fish. Yep. He took me under a rock or something. Oh, it's a giant pike minnow. Oh, get out of there. Oh, it's a giant. Let me tell you guys, this is a giant pike minnow right here. Dang it. Oh. No. Oh. Holy cow, guys. Look how big that guy is. That's a giant pike minnow, guys. A giant. Come on. Get out of there. There we go. Got it out. Whew. That's a giant, guys. Unfortunately, this fish will not be getting put back. I know a lot of people have mixed feelings about it's native or whatever, but look how fat that fish is. You think that fish got that fat just like eating, it's just eating trout, minnows, and bass minnows. It's definitely not the fish you want around here, guys. Look at that. Alright, let's get him out of here. Alright. Well, that happened. Didn't want to catch him. But actually, it's a good thing to catch them, getting them out of the river. Regardless of what you say, they just wreak havoc. Sometimes that's all you'll catch all day because they just took over a whole area. This is what they do. Come on, don't get stuck now. I definitely got attacked a bunch of times right now under there. I could feel them yanking me away. Maybe it was more pike minnows. You never know. Gonna have to see. Gonna have to see. Let's bring it through this little channel. Nothing through the channel, guys. Oh, let's throw like on the side of this little rock right here. Oh, nothing in there. All right. Boom. That's where I want to go. Right to the stuck area. Come on. Don't get stuck. Get over the humps, guy. Get over the humps. Oh, you see that? I hit that stick that's sitting up against the wall right there. That was that was a professional throw right there. And I'm on a fish. I just don't know what he's doing. I think he's stuck. Yeah, I'm on a fish. But he's stuck on the rocks. Oh, I got him. Got him out of the rocks, guys. Look at that. Little guy. Oh. Fall in the water. Oh, yeah, he's in the water. Sorry, guys. That wasn't so graceful, but we're on limited time budget right here. Alright. Let's throw up against that wall one more time. Oh, that was it. Maybe it's too far in. Let it do its thing. Bounce it over the rocks so it don't get snagged. There we go. Like right then. Almost didn't like that. Oh, I got a fish. And he's behind a rock. Come on. No, don't do that to me. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh, I got him. Oh. Oh. Well, that's that, guys. No more fish. Looks like that's the end of the day. Alright, guys. I think that might be it. If this is it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fishing here in Southern Idaho. And check out my shorts because they're awesome. Back on the snake, guys. Let's go. You didn't think it was going out like that, did you guys? Never. Oh. What is going on? Oh, There's like tons of fish getting it and none of them can land it. None of these dang fish can land it. He got 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 it. Come on, my guy. You ain't a giant, but then you fighting like one. He got it. He got it. Fighting like a 10-pounder. Spitting up craws. I don't know if you just saw that crawl just fly through the air right now. Whew. Look at that, guys. Get him back. Limited time. Whew. Alright.